Okay, let's get some practice with two-step equations. This is your homework. I'm going to get you started with the first problem or two, just so you know what we need to do here. But what you're going to do is you're going to start in this, you start in the square that says start, okay? And we're going to solve these two-step equations. So if you will start here with number one, if you don't have your notes in front of you, go ahead and grab your notes and make sure you have your notes that you can reference back to if you need any help. But if you're looking at your page 4 notes, so the steps to solve two-step equations, remember that when we're solving, we start with using an addition or subtraction to remove the constant. So in this case, our constant is 10. So it's plus 10. So the inverse is subtraction. So we subtract 10 from both sides. Okay, on the left side, we're left with 4x equals, we've got negative 26 minus 10. If you think about a number line, if you're at negative 26 and then you go 10 more negative, that will get you negative 36. Okay. Now, our second step for two-step equations is to use multiplication or division to remove the coefficient. So since we have 4 multiplied by x, our inverse operation is division. So we divide by 4, divide by 4. Okay. We're left with x equals negative 36 divided by 4 is negative 9. Okay. So the way we do this assignment is we follow the maze. If our answer is negative 9, then we come down here to negative 9 and we follow the direction and go on to that problem. Okay. If our answer was negative 4, then we would move to that problem on the right. If our answer was 9, we'd move to the problem on the bottom. In this case, our answer is negative 9, so we move over to this box with the negative 9 direction. Okay, so I'm going to do one more of these with you and then you're on your own. Okay, so now I work this problem. Remember, I get rid of the constant. If I have a plus 13, I subtract 13. What I do to one side, I do to the other. Okay, I'm left with 1/2 x equals 9 minus 13 is, we have 9 minus 13 is negative 4. Okay, think about a number line going to the left 13 and then back to the right 9. That'll leave you with negative 4. Now I've got 1/2 times x. We can use that shortcut tip with the reciprocal. So when I have 1/2 times a variable, I can multiply that by the reciprocal, which is 2/1 times 1/2 x equals, remember, whatever we do to one side, we do to the other side. Okay, so my 2/1 and my 1/2 cancel out. I'm left with x equals negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Okay, so now in this case, my answer is negative 8. I look at my options. Okay, here's negative 8. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is I will go back up to this problem, x divided by 3 plus 10 equals 15. So this will be the next problem that you solve. And then depending on that answer, you'll either, actually my guess is the answer is going to be 15 because you've already done negative 4, you've already done negative 8, but we still need to see the work. So make sure you always, 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 always show your work. So start with this one, finish the problem, and then you will turn in this assignment as your homework. If you have any questions, please send me an email or ask me in class, and I'll be glad to help. Thank you so much, and have a great day.